Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili sauce without vinegar. Many people find vinegar's sharp taste overpowering, or they simply prefer a different kind of tang. We'll dive into natural alternatives that provide the perfect acidity and depth of flavor. Get ready to craft a delicious, vibrant chili sauce that suits your palate perfectly, all while avoiding that traditional vinegar kick. To replace vinegar, consider using citrus juices such as lime or lemon for a bright, fresh acidity. These work wonderfully in many chili sauce recipes. Another excellent option is tomatoes, particularly tomato paste, which adds a rich, umami-filled tang. For a more complex sourness, you can also explore fermentation, allowing lactic acid bacteria to develop unique flavors in your sauce. Achieving a balanced flavor profile is key. Complement the chili heat with natural sweetness from ingredients like honey, maple syrup, or even fruit. Salt is not just for taste, it's a vital natural preservative, so don't skimp on it. To ensure your vinegar-free sauce lasts, always use proper sterilization techniques for your jars and store the finished product in the refrigerator. Now you have the tools to create your ideal chili sauce without vinegar. Don't be afraid to experiment with various chili types and acidic alternatives to find your perfect blend. Adjust the sweetness, salt, and spices until it perfectly matches your taste preferences. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.